That one not so good. There we go. There we go. Oh, I think I slipped off it. Okay.
Very handy. Very handy. Let's go over this way a little bit. I'll zoom you guys out. So this is the sort of thing right here, right? You see that one right in the middle of the screen? This is the sort of thing I'm looking at, right? So what I want to do is I want to start taking the weight off these. So 1, 2, 3, if I can get up that high. Let's see how high I can get up.
Too big. That is pretty much effortless.
That's really good. It's really effective. It is quite easy to maneuver as well. It's not very cumbersome. It's actually not cumbersome at all. When I think about using the pole saw and stuff like that, which is, you know, the chainsaw variant, which is a pain in the arse, to tell you the truth, to use. Right, this thing is much easier, much easier. Let's get up on some of these here.